Since before recorded history began, people have been searching for ways to live longer. But it has only been in the last 30 years that science has made any real progress in understanding the fundamental questions surrounding how we age and what can be done about it. The primary cause of aging is really pretty simple. We age because our cells age and our telomeres get shorter. The 2009 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine was awarded for breakthrough research on telomeres and their effects on aging. What can we learn from one of the preeminent scientists in the field of aging? Dr. William H. Andrews has worked in the biotech industry for 31 years, the last 19 years focused solely on the aging process. Dr. Andrews earned his PhD in molecular and population genetics and is presently the founder, president, and CEO of a biotech company focused exclusively on identifying compounds that affect aging in human cells. Dr. Andrews is one of the world's leading researchers on telomeres. Dr. Andrews has teamed up with Isagenix founder and master nutritional formulator, John Anderson, who is credited with creating some of the world's most effective nutritional formulations over the past 30 years. Their goal is to use this Nobel Prize-winning research on telomeres and aging to create the ultimate nutritional system for promoting telomere health.
Recently, we have discovered that the science of human aging is really pretty simple. We age because our cells divide and our telomeres get shorter. What's a telomere? Well, to answer that, let's zoom into a human's 100 trillion cells. Every cell contains a nucleus with genes and chromosomes. If you zoom in further, you see that the chromosomes are made up of DNA molecules that are 100 million bases long, coiled up like a slinky. There are long, repetitive sequences of DNA at the end of each of our chromosomes. These sequences are called telomeres. When a cell divides, the genetic material inside that cell needs to be copied. This is called DNA replication. During this process, enzymes that replicate a strand of DNA are unable to continue replicating all the way to the end, which causes the loss of some DNA. And the ends, if you remember, are where the telomeres are. At birth, we have about 10,000 bases. But as we age and our cells divide again and again, we lose those bases. And at 5,000 bases, we begin to die of old age. The bottom line is this. When cells divide, telomeres shorten. And bad things happen when telomeres get short. As an analogy, think of DNA as a long row of bricks, and of DNA replication as a bricklayer walking backwards on top of a brick wall, laying a new layer on top of that row. When the end of the wall is reached, the bricklayer finds himself standing on top of the bricks he's supposed to replicate. But since he can't put down a brick where his feet are, he steps back and falls off the wall, leaving the very end of the wall bare. As a result, the new copy of the wall is shorter. Just like this brick wall was copied imperfectly, our DNA is unable to copy itself perfectly. When a strand is replicated, the new strand is shorter than the old strand.
Initially, we thought there wasn't anything we could do to affect the aging process. Now we know there are some things we can do, like some lifestyle changes, specifically decreasing toxins in our body, addressing obesity, and improving our nutrition, plus reducing physical, mental, and oxidative stress, which are all key to slowing down the aging process.
Our recent collaboration with John Anderson's 30 years of formulating experience and our strategic alliance with Isagenix' decade of proven transformational results is yielding results beyond anything we have ever experienced. It won't be surprising to see many companies trying to enter this space and begin marketing products touted to support telomeres. But I know from my research, not all telomere products are the same. One company is leading the way with a complete system that not only addresses the causes of aging, but also provides a credible product system to effectively support healthy telomeres. The good news is there are strategies that you can immediately employ to provide telomere support that may slow the aging process. The first step to improve your chances of living longer and healthier is to control factors that are known to affect aging, such as toxicity, obesity, poor dietary and exercise habits, and oxidative stress. The next step is to assist the body with science-based, targeted nutrition to provide telomere support. I have dedicated my life to exploring the science of aging and how we might slow the aging process. Like you, as I get older, I want to look and feel half my age. I want to compete in a 100-mile race at 100 years old. This remarkable research may one day reveal the secret of living a healthier life. I am grateful for the opportunity I've had to share it with you.
Contact the person who shared this video with you. Discover which Isagenix product system is best for you.